DvSum CADDI empowers non-technical users to gain data insights themselves by simply chatting with data in natural language. It brings the power of ChatGPT to your organization's data. Modern business innovation is built on data. Organizations recognize the importance of data-driven insights to improve business outcomes. The challenge is that decision makers are drowning in data but starving for insights. Now, why does that happen? Because analyzing data requires technical skills in either writing SQL or building BI reports. So business users are dependent on IT and analytics team for every data request, which takes days and weeks. As a result, businesses don't get timely insights to make data-informed decisions. DvSum CADDI empowers business users to simply chat with your data. Users ask questions about your data in natural language, and DvSum brings back relevant results and insights in real time. It combines the power of ChatGPT with the understanding of your data to provide a simple interface for business users to gain answers from data without requiring any technical skills or understanding of underlying data. Let's see it in action. Consider that I'm a business leader at Providence Health System responsible for San Francisco area hospitals. I'm in an executive meeting discussing about revenue loss driven by referral leakage. The CEO asked a question. What percentage of patients went out of network after referrals and what can we do to reduce the leakage? I can either say that let me get back to you and run to the analytics team to get me some data and reports and wait for weeks, or I can just use DvSum CADDI. I go to DvSum CADDI using just my browser. I choose a topic that I want to chat about. In this case, I will choose the provider referrals topic. I see an introduction about the topic, what data it contains, and what kind of questions I can ask. Let me give it some context of what I'm trying to achieve. In this case, I'm sharing my hypothesis about choosing in-network patient or at-home care versus partnering with other clinics. All right, let's ask the first question about how many referrals were made. I simply ask the way I want to ask the question, no specialized syntax required. And I get back the answer. This is real factual information from our database, not generated response from ChatGPT. If I was so inclined, I can see what SQL query it used to get that response. This was the only question that was asked in the meeting, and I'm able to give this answer right away. But let's do more. I will save this context so it remembers for follow-up questions. Let's break down the patients and look at who were in network and who went out of network. And it brings back the breakdown. Let me drill down further. Let's break it down by location types. And now I get information about the locations. Let me switch topic to access market intelligence data about similar healthcare facilities in the region. I'm going to choose this commercial provider data. And let's ask about all the physical therapy clinics in San Francisco by organization name. And I can see that Luna provides a lot more facilities than what we provide. Finally, I can ask CADDI to summarize this chat for me. I get a summary of my analysis, and it also generates potential recommendations on what actions I could take to reduce this referral leakage. In this case, since there were more cases where patients stayed in network when care was provided at home, it is recommending that I could increase more in-home care services, or in cases where we don't have coverage, we can consider partnering with out-of-network clinics. To summarize, with DvSum CADDI, as a manager who doesn't know SQL or BI tools, I'm able to find insights from the data myself on demand in 5 minutes or less by simply chatting with data. The benefits are multifold. Finally, you have a self-service BI solution for the masses. Empower decision makers to gain timely data-driven insights themselves. Second, it reduces unnecessary workload for analytics teams so they can focus on more advanced analyses. And finally, it reduces proliferation of one-time, never used again reports and dashboards. DvSum CADDI brings the power of ChatGPT to your organization's data. It enables you to unleash data insights to maximize business outcomes. Learn more at dvsum.ai.